Let's go over how you can sign a document with Lumin Sign. When you've been designated as a signer, you'll receive an email notification. Open the email and choose View Document. Alternatively, you can log into your account where you'll find the document listed under Need to Sign. When you're prepared, click Start. Then select the signature field and choose your preferred signing method. Click Draw if you prefer using your mouse or trackpad. Choose Image to upload a photo of your signature. Or select Type to type your signature directly. After adding your signature, click Sign. Proceed to fill out any remaining fields in the document by selecting each field and following the prompts like so. Finally, click Finish to complete the signing process. Subsequently, you'll locate this document listed in the Approved section of your dashboard or documents.